just heavy.
Oh, I can't pick you up.
I mean, unless you're in some type of intimate situation, no.
Oh, okay.
I mean, would you pick your girl up if you wasn't in an intimate situation?
Yeah, I like to
Do what exactly when you pick her up?
burp 'em.
You like to burp your girls? Well, baby, I need a Gucci bib, a Gucci diaper, Gucci pacifier. If you gonna burp me, Papa.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
I'm coming through.